Hi everybody, just wanted to give you a bit of an update really on the picture. I want you to see the pictures together. I hope you're learning from my mistakes and other tips that I've gained along the way, because I have learned a lot doing this actually. I'll show you the photo in a sec, and I'd love your feedback. If you could give me your feedback and let me know whether you think I'm getting my details right. Do they actually look like the photo? That's really important, and other eyes on this is absolutely vital for all of us to make sure that, you know, they really look like the people. And we're all good at spotting this. You don't have to be an artist. You don't ever have to have done any art. If you ask people around you to show you, you show them your picture, ask the people around you, do they look like the photos? They have to be honest with you, and they'll spot things that you may have missed, even though you've been working on it. You could get too close to a picture, and to have other people's eyes on your work is so helpful. They will spot things that you've missed. It happens to me all the time. I mask my husband all the time. Okay, well, he hasn't checked this out before this video today, but I ask him, do they look like the picture? And he spots things that I've missed. So there's a good tip for you there. Try it. It really works. It's a good. Okay, and thanks for watching. I hope you're really enjoying it and not finding it too boring. I really hope so. And if you are finding it boring, please let me know, because I really want you to get details as much as possible in this. And if I cut bits out, I think, oh, you know, that might have been useful to somebody. So I know that you can whiz through the videos if you want to. That's great, that's fine. Are they boring, really? Give me some feedback, that'd be fantastic. Okay, thank you. Okay, and thanks again for watching, all of you that are. It's really good, really encouraging. Thank you.